What? Listen, I'm on holiday, so please just give me one day so that I can just take it easy, man. I know you need some help with the t-shirt, durags and everything, I know that. But there are other guys on YouTube. Just let me have my break. I have a life too. You're really gonna ruin my vacation? You don't need to relax, man. I guess I'm gonna have to go.
Yeah. Leash. Let's get Chagola Melo. Whoa.
Okay, since you decided to ruin my vacation, I'm gonna make this real quick. Hey, somebody throw me a t-shirt. Let's go through the basics again, one more time. So you got your t-shirt right here, yeah? And we're gonna turn it into a durag. But this time, I want you to just take one step differently. Instead of folding the t-shirt like in many folds here, like this, don't do that. This time I want you to fold it a maximum of 3 times. 3 folds, okay? Now all you have to do is stretch to the 2 extremes. Flip it over your head from your forehead, like this. Yeah. And then take each extremes just like that. Let me give you a little view for the back. Yeah. What I want you to do is you see the main part of the durag, pull it down as much as you can, like pull it really down, like really down. Now tie it together, but extra. Make it super tight, super tight. Then make another knot. Then you see this part, put it down. Keep pulling it down until you come normal. Whew. And that way, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it on your scalp that is actually pressing down your hair. It's gonna compress your hair like on a matting. So if you want to get the real durag effect, proper waves, yeah, tie your t-shirt like that and it will be 10 out of 10. So I think we should celebrate. Since you've ruined my vacation, you're gonna have to subscribe. You're gonna have to like and comment and share. You feel me? Do all of that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm out.